What's good? What's poppin'? Alright, let me stop. So, I am about to kill this Coquito. Show you how to make Coquito Kiddie version. So, for everybody, for all you guys that are 21 and below, 21 minus, you know, your kids, you're not grown. This is for you. I'm going to be showing you how to, 20 and below. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this Coquito without using alcohol. So these are the ingredients that I have already laid out. I have my blender already set up right here. I like this kind. I recently started using this, and it makes my Coquito more like liquefied. So instead of it being super like thick, and then it has like all that little chunky stuff, which it tastes good still, but I prefer my stuff to be more liquefied. So I'm going to add this in. It's cocoa real gourmet cream of coconut. You got to shake it well before you use it. That, which was only like $3.79, and I got it from ShopRite. Got everything from ShopRite. So it doesn't matter what kind of cream of coconut you use. I used to use like the Goya one, the ones in a can, and I didn't like the way it like plopped out. Like it'll just be like plop. So this is more like it comes out all smooth. You know, you're squeezing it out. And then I have my sweetened condensed milk. This is the kind I got, but you know, any brand, anything that I have here, any brand you have will work. All right. So sweetened condensed milk. Next, let's see. I have my evaporated milk. So I have my evaporated milk, right? Shake, 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 shake. Obviously. Then I have my coconut milk, right? Because we want to get that nice, yummy coconut flavor. So I'm going to shake this up, obviously, before I pour it in. This is Coquito to me is like really easy. My sister has a best friend that's Puerto Rican, and that's my nephew. It's like her son, Titi. He calls her Titi, or her godmother, whatever, his godmother. So she gave me, I first tasted it from her, and she told me how to make it. So this is the real way, but I think she told me so long ago, so I kind of forgot exactly what to do, so I made it my own, right? This is vanilla extract, and I just went and picked this up. Everything is super affordable, you guys. Like, this stuff probably cost me, let's see, I would say like 15 bucks. So everything that I have here, because I got, you know, the affordable ones. Obviously people want to save money, right? So vanilla, this kind. I got nutmeg, and you gotta get you some cinnamon. Okay, so you obviously, these go into me at the end because you want to give your Coquito some flavor, some spices. Make sure you really taste it. It's really yummy. So I save these, put them to the side. Bam, right there. And these, I'm going to start with these first. I already rinsed off the top because, you know, obviously you want to be sanitary and clean. And I just crack it open and pour it in. So I already rinsed off the top of these. I'm going to start pouring it in. Woo! Was this washed out really well? Alright. So my boo wanted this, you guys, really, really badly. So, which is why I'm making it now. And I'm going to try to get her reaction on video. And she's going to tell you how it tastes and if it tastes good. But you know, if it's made by Nick, you know, it's going to be blazing. Let's see. So this is done. Bam, right there. Next. Where's the... Anyways, let me start with this. You'll take this off, obviously, right? Look at all this cream of coconut goodness, y'all. Look at all this. I love all this. I love cream of coconut. It's blazing. This, to me, is like the main ingredient. Like, is what makes it. So... Ew, you hear that sound? Alright. Alright, so I finally got the evaporated milk open. So that goes in. Right? I know y'all can't see me, even though I'm short. And then I am going to use everything, like all this and all that. So because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making 2 batches out of this. So using this, I'm going to be making 2 batches. An alcoholic one and a non-alcoholic one. And then I will try to show how they're both done. All right, and time for some seasonings. I still have some more of this, the cream of coconut, and I still have some more of the sweetened milk. My blender's getting full, so I'm probably gonna stop here, put my seasonings in, put this is the Kiddie version. Put the Kiddie version in a, what I'm gonna be pouring it into is a mason jar. I love my mason jars. They're super cool, super cute to me. You could put a little straw and drink out of that. So I'll be putting the version ones, the Kiddie ones I call them, into this mason jar once I'm done. All right, super easy. Coquito is super easy. I might be missing something. I have to talk to Titi Gwen. And if you're watching Titi Gwen, hey, hola, chica. All right, so I'm going to cinnamon. I used to put a little bit, but then I realized that you can't really taste it. So now I put a lot. All right. Of course, the vanilla. Oop. I like to measure, so maybe I'll measure like maybe 4 capfuls. Or you can just use your judgment. I usually use my judgment, to be honest. But I guess I'm being a little bougie for the video. All right, let's see. Like that. And then you need your, I have Badia ground nutmeg. I think it's only like, what, $3? But I'm sure you can find it at Dollar Tree or Dollar General for about $1, right? But I cannot wait for my boo to taste the alcoholic one, because I think that it's probably going to be more authentic and it will probably taste really good to her. I think this, I've never had it like this without alcohol, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be good. It's just, it's still a really, really good, yummy drink. So, all right, time to put this in, stop chatting. If y'all hear noise in the background, that is Bad Boys watching number 2. And you know, Bad Boys 3 just came out, right? Did anybody watch it yet? Comment down below. Let me know if you watched it, how it was. Was it good? I'm pretty sure it was. But I will definitely be seeing that video, Bad Boys, on Tuesday. You know why? Because Tuesday is always what? Discount Tuesdays. So on Discount Tuesdays, it's always like what? Like $5 or $6. Alright, I think I put enough seasoning in from that. And I'm going to blend this up. let's see. See what we're working with today. Woo, it looks good and it smells good. Yeah, it looks good and it smells good. I don't think it's gonna be thick like she wants it. This looks like this looks like perfect. Oh my, I swear to everything I love. I'm going to be making the alcoholic version. I'm gonna just basically use this, but I'm gonna add the alcohol tomorrow, and I guarantee it's gonna be bomb. This looks like actually one of the best that I've ever made, because I actually put a lot of spices in it, and I usually don't put a lot of spice. So I heard that I need to put a lot more spice in it. So that's what I did. So this should be like authentic Puerto Rican / Jamaican, because everybody knows I'm Jamaican. Well, I'm going to all my other Jamaicans. So Puerto Rican / Jamaican type of coquito right here in this bad boy. All right. So what I want to do is, I was going to add this in, but seeing that my blender is full, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to now put this into my mason jar. I want to fill this mason jar with the Kiddie Coquito. You want to rinse it out one more time really good. Maybe I should do a thumbnail. Hold on. Woo! How do you get the bottom off? Alright, there. Take it out. And, you know, let me taste this first before I pour it into the mason jar. Since I want to be sexy right now, y'all, I'm feeling sexy. I'm pouring into this. Oh my God, so good. I think it would taste better with alcohol, but it's still really good. This is the Kiddie version. But I am in love with this blender. Alright, so here is the Kiddie version, guys, and then this will be my alcoholic one, which I'll finish up tomorrow. I think this is enough. Do you think this is enough in here? I think this is enough. She and I are going to drink this. But anyways, so that's how you make coquito. I don't want to make this video too long. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you watched this whole video, watched it all the way through, I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you for watching this video. Also, comment down below like any tips that you want to offer me about like what else I can put into the coquito, or what I should take out, or what I could be using, whatever the case may be. If you know about coquito, I love coquito. I love Puerto Ricans. I love anything that's, you know, whatever. But anyway, thank you again for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell to on. Come on, if you watch this video, hit that subscribe button, okay? Comment, like I said, share, and yeah, that's about it. Hey, if you're rocking, then you're rocking. If not, then don't rock, right? Alright, but anyways, picnic gone. Everybody, blessings, one love. Alright? Mwah. Peace. Alright, so how did my coquito taste, boo? How did it taste?
Amazing. Amazing. This is blazing. Probably the best coquito I've ever had. Facts.
Alright, so y'all heard that, right? Okay. If you would like a bottle, I would charge you a really decent price. Just hit me up. MysticNick@gmail.com. I'll put that down below.